So that's the kind of the world we live in right now. Disappointment, robbing, sabotage. Each and every bad thing happens to good people. Every time bad things happen to good people. This is not the first time it's happening to me. If we keep doing this to each other, there's no hope for humanity. This needs to stop. Let me tell you what's the problem I've been facing. I'll be working here. People come to look at me. They open the door, but they don't close the door. What does it take to close the door when they go back? Sometimes there won't be even a reason to come and visit me here. They just... So I need to buy this self-closing contraption or something else. I checked in Google. Basically, since I'm broke and I don't have a lot of money, I need to fix that with a cheap household items. And this is how it went. So I'm gonna put this screw in here as something to hold to. So before that, I'm gonna put this, which I already contracted and tied a knot to. I'm just gonna put this first and then screw it in here, because I tried to screw it. After it doesn't move. See, it does not come out as well.
Pensier di poter palpitar con lei d'amor, può sopire il martire che m'affanna e strazia il cor, e strazia il cor.
So people can come and look at me. The door is going to shut itself on its own. The door is going to shut itself.
Thank